Hello guys, hope you are all doing well. So guys, do you want to know about Open Hearts reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. So guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. And guys, people from India are very curious to know about this site. So next guys, we'll provide you with the full details of this website. So make sure to watch the video till the end and do not miss out any points. So first of all, we'll talk about the website's type and the products they deals with. So guys, after checking, we have found out that this website is totally different from the other online shopping site. It is actually not an shopping site. We have checked and we have found out that this website gives online coaching advices. It gives coaching advices for life, then healthy living, mindful living, for style, travel, and many others. So if you want to check out this website, then you have to visit to their official site. So next guys, if you want to know about their payment method, well, this website has not given their payment method. And if you want to know about their shipping policy, this website also does not have any shipping information. So now guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And guys, about the domain information, we have checked and this website was registered on 19th of February 2013 and it will expire on 19th of February 2022, which means this website is quite old and hence it can be trusted. So next guys, we'll check their about us information. So guys, about the about us information, here they have given it in the main home page. They have given information about their founder identity. Here as you can see, they have given the details. So you can check this out. And same with the contact number. This website also does not have the contact information anywhere. Now guys, talking about the social media presence, we have checked and this website does have social media presence. It has got social media presence over Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and on YouTube. And we have checked the amount of followers on Facebook and on Instagram. So guys, on Instagram it has over 2,000 followers and on Facebook it has only 559 followers. Now about the written and refund policy, this website also have not given their written refund policy information anywhere. So do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For written or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now guys, talking about the Open Hearts reviews, there are no single customer review of this website anywhere. We have checked. But the trust score of the site is 86% and the trust ranking is 75.5%. And the content quality also seems fine. So guys, in the conclusion of the Open Hearts reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. Though this website does not have any reviews, but as you can see, this website is also very old and it has got social media presence also and the trust score is very good. So it seems like a legit website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.